said we make them so proud. This, that loud, nigga, roll up, hold up, hold up. I said we make them so proud. This, that loud, nigga, roll up, hold up, hold up, hold up.
Out there, letting my hopes up.
Many people tell us our style is terrific. It is quite different,
But let's get specific.
I focus on the lyric, mind, body, spirit. Inspires when you hear it, so you feel it. I'm birthed in the apple, Bronx is the cradle. Fighting off demons, embracing all the angels. Master all the angles, you should do the same too. Before your inner self blame you. Came through with the same crew. D-I-double-G-I-N, till the end. Fill a pen, kill again, with the will to win. Now we not like the rest of them. In the same sentence, don't mention them. Hold up, hold up. I said we make them so proud. This, that loud, nigga, roll up. See, Andre's a giant. Joey got that crack. Finesse is the Lord, must shine on the track. Buck got the heat, Show got the street. Ella's still with us. Best producer with lyrics is D Square. So you better beware. So lit with the shit till we leave here. Yeah.
I said we make them so proud. This, that loud, nigga, roll up.
Often imitated,
I said we make them so
never
proud.
duplicated.